गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। जैसा कि आपको पता है इस चैप्टर्स में बहुत सारे टर्म्स जो हैं वो दो दो का पेयर है, जिसमें कि दोनों में डिफरेंस है। जैसे कि इसके पहले हम आपको डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट थोड़ा बताए थे। दोनों में लेंथ का मेजर होता है, लेंथ का मेजरमेंट होता है, लेकिन उसके साथ थोड़े डिफरेंस हैं। एक वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है, एक स्केलर क्वांटिटी है। आज हम आपको उसी तरह का दो टर्म्स, एक स्पीड और एक वेलोसिटी, दो टर्म्स है, उसको डिफ्रेंशिएट करना चाह रहे कि कैसे दोनों में डिफरेंस है। दोनों क्या है? दोनों डिस्टेंस को ट्रेवल करता है, दोनों पर यूनिट टाइम में ट्रेवल करता है। द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय अ बॉडी पर यूनिट टाइम, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्पीड, and distance traveled by a body per unit time, that is also known as speed. But when we say in a particular given direction, if we relate the distance traveled per unit time with a specific direction, then it becomes velocity. But in a speed, we can only measure the distance per unit time, but there is no any specification of the distance. Distance के बारे में स्पीड में नहीं बताया जाता, लेकिन वेलोसिटी जब भी बताया जाएगा तो डिस्टेंस पर यूनिट टाइम के साथ डायरेक्शन को भी बताना होगा। और सबको पता है कि ये दोनों फिजिकल क्वांटिटी है। इसका भी एसआई यूनिट क्या होता है? मीटर पर सेकेंड होता है। स्पीड का एसआई यूनिट मीटर पर सेकेंड होता है, और इसका भी मीटर पर सेकेंड एसआई यूनिट्स होता है। अगर हम मैथमेटिकली इसको देखें तो क्या है कि स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम। Speed is equal to distance by time, and where m is a meter and acc is a second, meter per second is a unit. Like here velocity, it is here displacement, here distance, here displacement. When we say the displacement, it means distance with direction and displacement by time. So we can mathematically define velocity is equal to displacement by time. Now, one another thing, as we said that speed is a scalar quantity. Why? Because it has only magnitude. It has only a numeric value. There is no any relation with the direction. But displacement is a vector quantity, because it is a distance travel per unit time, but in a specific direction. So direction is related, so it becomes vector quantity. In a velocity, its value sometimes its value positive, sometimes value negative, and sometimes value 0. When the displacement is positive, then the velocity becomes positive. When displacement is negative, then velocity becomes negative, and when displacement becomes 0, then the velocity becomes 0. Now this is the relation between the speed and velocity. We have already taught you the speed, and in speed we have already given you some formula like average speed is equal to what? It is a total distance by total time. Total distance by total time, and it is related with the scalar quantity. But here is also average velocity, and in average velocity the formula is initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. You can also write in this way, u plus b by 2. So these are the two different formula, because these are the very important formula while you solving the numericals related with the speed and distance time graph. Now we come to the new one, like uniform motion. When in a uniform motions, what we have already learned that the a body travels equal distance in equal time interval, equal time interval. So but in a non-uniform motion, a body travels unequal distance in a given in a equal time. Like you see that one in for the case of uniform, in a 1 seconds the body travels 5 meter. In second, when body travels 5 meters, then 3 seconds body travel 5 meters. It means in every seconds, every unit time, we see that the body travels equal distance 5 meters. So it is a uniform motion. But unlike uniform motion, we can also take example of non-uniform. In the first second, body travel 5 meters. In second, body travel 2 meters. In 3 seconds, body travels 7 meters. So you see that the distance traveled by every second by the body is unequal, and so it is known as non-uniform motion. So we have already taught these 2 points. Now you can go through the books, and some of the numericals is there, so you must try to solve it. Thank you.